Hey guys, it's Miss Brandy, and today we are going to make our own light switch plate covers, and you can use a bunch of different things to decorate them. Make sure you have a light switch plate cover, and you can get those in bulk from stores, or you can just use the ones on your wall. Don't pull them off though. We're going to decorate them with some cool stuff. You can use book pages, you can use glitter. I know, glitter. Can you imagine with the background? Glitter. Or Sharpies. I'm going to show you some of the ways that I do it. I want to see your comments at the end below. Make sure you show us how you do yours, okay? Okay guys, we're going to start jumping into making our own face plates. You can see I've got a couple here. I'm going to work on this one. This one is my book one. We are going to do a glitter one. You all saw that coming. I know. And then one with a Sharpie. So we're gonna start out with the glitter one. All you're gonna need is some Elmer's glue. Literally put a little bit in and then go turn on your water faucet, turn it off. With the glue under it, you just want it a little bit of a more liquidy instead of that thick consistency. And that's how you're gonna make your own Mod Podge if you don't have some. If you have some, just use that, that's fine. But you're gonna take your glue, let's scoot this one over here, and you're gonna cover the whole thing. So just paint it on, cover it. You can do the sides if you want. For the glitter ones, I like to do the sides, but I'll go ahead and let the top dry and then I'll do the sides the same way we're doing this. Coat on, take your glitter, just dump your glitter on. And I like to do about 2 coats of that. If you're worried about loose glitter falling, just put another coat of your glue on. It'll make it a little dull though. That's gonna be your only thing. It's if you want it shimmery and shiny, no extra added coat. If you don't mind about it being a little dull, you can go ahead and do that. Nice and covered. Then you're gonna shake off the extra. And you can see that it's not that pretty, but that's okay. That's why you're gonna do another coat. Same thing, wait for that to dry though. Okay, that was our first one, yay! Our second one, I really like this one. I am not artistic. If you are artistic, please go ahead and draw over these. But for me, I need something to help me. So this is a super easy one. Grab tape. Only thing you have to worry about is keeping it in straight lines. And I'm just gonna cover it with tape. And I'm gonna do this with the whole faceplate. Going. Gotta move that into safety so I don't do that again. And you just line each piece of tape up right under the last one. Okay, we got it nice and pretty, right? So if we tape the whole thing, how are we going to be able to decorate it? First, you got to be able to get it off the table. So what I'm going to do is just take every other piece of tape off. I like the top to have color, so I'll do top. Grab the next one. And that gives you equal spacing, so you don't have to even worry about spacing. You're gonna have straight lines and equal spaces. Okay. You're gonna grab your Sharpie, grab whatever color you like. I really like how the gold metallic turned out. I'll show you guys that one again. So I'm gonna try a silver metallic as well. And you just color. So it's going to be all the way across this time. The other one I did go down the sides all the way around, so I didn't have to worry about this. I'm just going to follow the tape on this one. Have complete straight lines. And then you can also combine the two and add glitter on top of your Sharpie if you would like. I know I'm getting a little glitter crazy, but it just adds that extra little shimmer. Keep trying. And I'll only do the one stripe. I know I get a little OCD. But when you take that off, your perfect line. Perfect. Okay, so the last one I'm going to show you, I'm going to put this tape back on before I forget so that I can finish this at a later time. The last one I'm going to show you how to do is a book one. So what I did for Scooby is I just pulled a page out of a book. This was a discarded book. So I just I figured out what I liked, and I grabbed a page out and I just ripped it out. And you can do this with words, you can do it with pictures, you can do it however you want. And then you just cut out to match. And I left a little bit of extra room because I'm gonna finish this up with some washi tape at home probably, just to add a little extra pattern on top of it. But you're gonna use your Mod Podge again, or your glue creation, whichever one you have. Do a layer of the glue down on the base, and then you're gonna put your page on, and then do a layer on top of it to seal it. Then you're gonna take your screw, and you're just gonna push through. Ta-da! Because when you finish, perfect. Same thing down here. That one ripped a little more, but that's okay. It's still gonna be covered. I am gonna Mod Podge that down a little bit too, just so the edges don't ever try to rise up on me. Use the end of my brush to make sure it all looks nice and pretty. There we go. Okay, same thing up here, a little glue. And as you can see, I'm even using an O paintbrush. You all don't have to be very particular at all. Okay, So that should hold down the edges. And then I'm just gonna use the end of my paintbrush to do the same thing, push through where the light switch actually is gonna come through. And you can do this with comic books, you can do it with regular books, you can do it with picture books, whatever you all want to do it with, okay? I'm just going to rip that little piece off, just so you don't have all that extra hanging over. Be careful not to rip. Inside. And then again, grab your glue, glue the edges, make it all nice and pretty. And you can use Sharpies to decorate the outside if you don't cut it exactly right. I am not that great of a cutter, as you all have seen in my Instagram early literacy videos. I still need scissor practice, but you can cut them perfect. You can cut it perfect. Just do that, leave it there. You can add glitter around the side to add that little extra touch, Sharpie, or I'm gonna use washi tape that I've got at home to just kind of finish this off, okay guys? Those are my creations. I can't wait to see your all's. Bye guys.